We are born. We are born. We are born. All the noise, the pain, the tears, the sounds, all come together, and then silence, 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 silence. As if by magic all those things stop at once, until what seems like tick, tick, tick of the clock as the sounds progress through endless time. The sound of a scream, and another scream, and another scream, and another scream, and another scream, and yet another scream. Endless screams. The sounds are replaced by ambulances and police. Hysterical screaming, crying. The endless emotion is too hard not to hear. Announcing a birth. Announcing a death. 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 The journey is only just beginning. The journey is only just ending. The journey is only just ending. The journey is only just ending. Please to announce the birth, the death of tragically young, the pain of one day, the happiness of one day, mixed into one November day.